Remodeling, however, takes things a step further, and this is when you start reshaping the very bones and structure of your home. It involves changing the structure or the form of the space. This process can include tearing down walls to alter the layout, adding new rooms, or significantly changing the use of the space in the home. Remodels are a lot more extensive than renovations and often require permits, as they may change the building's structure or plumbing and electrical systems. If you're adding an addition, you may be doing some excavation work, and that requires checking things out there and making sure there's no plumbing or wires or anything coming that's, underground that you don't know about. That's when you have to get an inspection for that. Another example could be converting an attic into living space. Expanding families often need more space, so you'd want to make a bedroom and bath up on the third floor. It requires structural changes and even possibly altering the home's exterior appearance.